Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about ITC Limited. I would request you to watch other videos which I have already shared, like undervalued shares, analysis of undervalued shares like GAIL, then Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Then there is another also Hindustan Zinc that is not undervalued right now, but this is a good share, good dividend share, and having good strength. So you can watch those videos and have an idea of how you can plan your investment in those stocks. Today we'll be discussing about ITC Limited. This is also very trading at a very low level. We can say the value of this stock at this price is very good. It's not exactly undervalued, but near to its undervalue in position only. Its and value, you can see intrinsic value is coming between 180 to 200. So the current price is also trading at this level. If the stock is going below 180 at any point, you need to start accumulating this stock. Also, if you are a new investor, not yet invested in ITC, you don't have any stock or shares of this ITC Limited, then you can invest small portion of your investable amount into this stock right now, small portion only. Don't invest all of your money or one of your investable money for ITC. Only small portion, 20% you can invest whatever amount. If you are planning for investing total amount investing, you are planning for 10,000, then you can invest 2,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees at this level. And for those investors who have already accumulated this stock at this price to 195 to 200 price, they can wait for further correction if that is happening. Not sure, we cannot say predict when the price will be coming down, when it will be going up. It is possible that it will go up also, but you should have a preparedness. You should be prepared for any changes. If it is going up, then well, you have already invested in this stock, you can book profit if the price is going very high. If the price is going low again, you should have money in your pocket so that you can further accumulate, because this company, I am talking about this company is a professionally managed company. There is no single promoter like that entity in this company. It's a professionally managed company, and it is very well diversified. Diversified means in another different sectors like tobacco. The main business is coming from tobacco, and around 50% of the revenue is coming from tobacco. And after that, they have invested very huge amount in this FMCG sector. So the major revenue also, many apart from tobacco, the major revenue is coming from FMCG sector, which is very growth oriented sector. And you can see after 10 years this company will be a FMCG company, major FMCG company. Government is taxing the tobacco products. More and more taxes are coming. So there is no future as such company is seeing, but still revenue is coming from tobacco, and they are reinvesting that amount into FMCG sector, as well as they have tourism sectors like hotels and all. But due to this corona issue, that sector is not performing well. But future, once these vaccines come and the corona issues are resolved, then you can see a strong growth in this tourism sector also. That's up to 1 or 2 years after that only. But right now the price is very low. If you can see, it recently gone to 134. That you cannot imagine, because there was a panic selling. That's why the one, I am not sure whether again you will be getting this price level of 135, but you can expect 150 level if there is any chance of further correction in the global economy. That if there is a further correction in the global economy and stock exchanges, then definitely it will reflect in Indian stock market also. If the Indian stock market it is reflecting, then in this share also you will see a further correction. But you need to start accumulate when the price is going below 180, because after below 180, if you are accumulating it, good return over 1 year, and after that also you will get good return if you are long term investment. And one more thing is, there is a happy news for you. If you are a long term investor, the recently ITC Limited board decided to give 80 to 85% of their profit after tax as dividend. So this, if you see right now also, you can see that dividend yield is 5.19, and this company is a FMCG sector company, then there will be a definitely good growth in this company, and at this price if you are accumulating, then you, in future for long term over 5 years 10 years you'll be having good return in terms of dividend itself. So a capital appreciation also will be there, and you will get good dividend return also. But you should be having patience, not like today you invested and after 3 months 4 months you need to see the return. Not this company will not perform like that. If you can see also for 5 years right now the price is very low, so those investors who have invested for last 5 years, they'll be frustrated right now. You can see many investors who have invested in this company, seeing its prospectus, they will be saying bad about this company only, because they are seeing very low capital appreciation, negative return over 5 years they are seeing in this company. But dividends they are given, already given, and future also there will be a good dividend, and current price is very good for you right now, because all those investors who have done at 2017 2018 invested at high level only, 287 300 367 itself, it was gone. So compared to that price right now, it's a good half of the price you will be getting this share. So it's a good opportunity, I would say, but be careful, don't invest all of your money in a particular stock. You need to have a diversification. I would recommend that if you are planning for investing in different stocks, you keep a target of but for me I am putting as 10,000 in one share. Not more than that I will be investing in any share, because I can if there is any loss, or if the all amount is going, the company is going down, then no issue, 10,000 gone, it's gone, like that only. There it will not bother me large sense. But or not all companies will go down. If you have 20 companies I have in my portfolio, and all those companies are having 1 or 2 company, maximum 5 companies may go down, but other companies will perform. Like that you need to plan. And one more thing, there are many persons advising that you should not be invested in many companies. Not like that. You can see, if you can see the mutual funds portfolio, they will be investing in 40-50 shares. If they are professionally managed, they are managed by professionals only. If they are managing such a portfolio, big portfolio, why can't we invest in 20-30 shares? But all those things to be careful, you need to be careful while investing, because there should not be like that you should be selecting all those junk stocks, like not like that. Good company, Nifty 50 company, if you are investing, then you will get good return. See, the 44% of the revenues are coming from the cigarette industry, and 26% of the revenues are coming from FMCG products, and 12% are coming from agriculture business, and 13% are coming from paper boards and others, and only 3.9, almost 4% are coming, and that's for financial year 2020 I'm talking. For financial year 2020, 4% are coming from hotels. So hotels industry is a very negligible percentage are coming, and so if you have a COVID impact on this industry, then that will not impact the overall revenue very much. But for the tobacco industry, if there is any issue, then that will be a problem. And COVID will not pose that much impact on this tobacco, because anyway the users of this tobacco will be continue to use that product. The parameters in the ticker tape itself says that all these are green only: intrinsic value, return, dividend yield, then all these things are green, and 79% analysts are recommending this share. I will say that you can plan if it is going below 180, then 150, below 150 it is a very good opportunity, and so you need to be very cautious while you are investing all of your amount. Hope this video was helpful for you. If this video are helpful for you, and if you feel that I am providing some value addition to your portfolio or your analysis, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.